Hi everyone, greetings from Bangkok and welcome to the GLM.
Hi, I'm Zarina, National Logistic Preparedness Officer for Tajikistan, WFP.
Hello everyone, my name is Erik Itin.
My name is Daniel Kirwa.
My name is Vimani.
My name is Patrick Mills-Lamty.
I'm Patricia Daniel.
My name is Patrick Suchon.
I'm Noel de los Santos.
Christine Soutif.
Tulan Siamai.
My name is Sarah.
Tuki. McGuinness.
This is Zaid Kumar.
Yo soy Eduardo Vargas.
Hi, I'm Carolina.
This is Yendi.
This is Pepe.
Preparedness Project Team.
My name is Samuel Tarrafa.
Greetings from Bangkok. My name is Rikawa.
Yeah, welcome also from my side to the GLM. It is a great pleasure to have the chance here to talk about this project. And I wanted to start already with the great thanks, because preparedness very often is challenging, and especially good results mean there's not much that you could see that happens, like disasters are hopefully better mitigated, mechanisms work better, but the absence of preparedness would rather be the moment that you really get aware of what preparedness could be or what preparedness could have done. So I wanted to start this time with a great thanks to all those colleagues in this project, working together with this project, especially in the field, hand in hand with partners, with different organizations, with our donors, with international and national organizations, participating in the activities. There's a lot that we learned, there's a lot that we can still get out of it, so we will probably have still a way to go to make use of all these experiences. But at this point already, we see a strong impact, a strong movement that many of these activities created, and we're very thankful and very proud that we could be part of this.
My name is Aaron and I started with the field-based preparedness project in mid-2019. My initial role was that of regional coordinator for the Asia-Pacific region. Wipawa, who you'll meet in a separate video, has since taken on this responsibility, while I've become the capacity strengthening focal point for the project.
My name is Wipawa, Regional Preparedness Project Manager for Asia and the Pacific. Nice to meet you all.
Hi everyone, my name is Samuel Tarrafa. I work with the Global Logistics Cluster Field-Based Preparedness Project.
Hi everyone, this is Pepe, Regional Preparedness Officer for Africa and Middle East.
Hi, my name is Gabriel Suarez and I work with Lila Ricard with the Preparedness Project for Latin America and the Caribbean. We support in Spanish, French, English the countries of Colombia, Haiti, Honduras, Guatemala, and very soon Ecuador. Let's take a listen to our colleagues in the field on how preparedness translates into their day-to-day activities and what are their major challenges.
Sin duda, la preparación logística desempeña un papel esencial en el proceso de envío y recepción de la ayuda humanitaria a todas las poblaciones que han sido afectadas por las emergencias o desastres.
Si los protocolos están claros y la logística está establecida, es muchísimo más rápido, muchísimo más fácil llegar a quien más lo necesita en un caso de desastre o emergencia. Esta es nuestra apuesta como Programa Mundial de Alimentos.
Preparedness presupposes being proactive, and as you get proactive, you make so many savings in terms of expenses that you incur, as if you were working in a reactive manner. $1 spent on preparedness will take us a long way. Maybe for the same work we do for $1, we may require as much as $6-10 if we are working in a reactive manner.
Es muy necesario, ¿verdad?, para ya tener un conocimiento, ¿verdad?, fundamental de todo lo que nosotros hacemos, de todo lo que nosotros nos dedicamos, ¿verdad? Es muy necesario estar preparados, ¿verdad?
The Field-Based Preparedness Project is a great opportunity for the government of Kenya to strengthen its coordination and information sharing platforms and capacities for effective and accountable emergency preparedness and response.
Having all
stakeholders in one room. It gives us an opportunity to get to know each other, do emergency preparedness, work out a plan, an action plan that will help us during the time of crisis to respond and save lives.
Contar con un proyecto de fortalecimiento de capacidades en temas logísticos para ayuda humanitaria facilita el trabajo de coordinación que realiza la Secretaría Ejecutiva de la CONRED.
Lo que queremos es ver el gobierno de Guatemala y sus instituciones fortalecidas para llegar en lo más rápido posible en caso de desastre o emergencia a las personas que más lo necesitan.
Bilang Field-Based Preparedness Project Officer, mapagtitibay ko ang kakayahan ng mga miyembro ng National Logistics Cluster upang mas maging handa ang bawat isa sa pagtugon sa anumang sakuna.
The PFP is working with the government of Malawi in addressing a number of logistical gaps through the Logistics Preparedness Action Plan. The number of areas that are being addressed such as storage. The HSA will help the government of Malawi and other humanitarian partners to preposition relief items so that when disasters strike, attempt to deploy the much needed assistance to this affected population is shortened. Another area that is being addressed is on transport, so that the much needed humanitarian assistance can easily reach the affected populations during disasters. And through the action plan, another area that is being worked on is on customs. We'll be working on clearing and reviewing the customs protocols so that whenever humanitarian assistance is coming to the country, there should not be delays in clearing this humanitarian aid.
جمهوری تاجیکستان بسیار آفت‌های طبیعی و مانند آبخیزی، یخ، زمین‌لرزه رخ می‌دهد. با مقصد عملی نمودن ساحه لاجستیک برای سری وقت رسانیدن کمک‌های بشردوستانه در یکجایی با کارمندان برنامه بازوتای جهانی گروهی کاری ترتیب داده شده است که خیلی مهم و ضرور می‌باشد. اینچنین کمیته حالت‌های فوق‌العاده تاجیکستان آماده است که وابسته به پرزور نمودن اقتدار جانب‌های منفعت‌دار در سمت زنجیره انتقال کمک‌های بشردوستانه همکاری نماید.
เอาใจใส่ต่อเวียงงานพลาธิการก็ถือว่าเป็นเวียงงานบริษัทหนึ่งที่สำคัญในการเตรียมพร้อมตอบโต้ฉุกเฉินนั้นซึ่งระยะผ่านมาพวกเราก็ได้รับการร่วมมือจากทางองค์การอาหารโลกประจำสปป.ลาวก็ได้มีการจัดฝึกอบรมเกี่ยวกับเวียงงานพลาธิการนี้ให้แก่พนักงานของแขนงแรงงานและสวัสดิการสังคมในขอบเขตทั่วประเทศซึ่งระยะผ่านมาพวกเขาก็ได้ฝึกครูฝึก
กุศลสามโบงาจีดุกยาขับดีกังจินหิมาลัยสักคนละชาติอยู่เปล่ารังจินเก่งมาดูสุจุนียังก็อยู่เปล่าเก่งสุดตรงเล่นเบดีรังจิกยาขับดียังสุ่มดัดเดิมเบชานีเต็มลูจะชิดแต่แค่จุดทิ้งกินสุดแต่ดีเบกบดีเกลเชสชุนีดียังเกลยงเก่งจินจงโคเชดังแค่จุดเล็กเจ็ดสักชุมชียิสุกเบทอเลยโคเชดังแค่จุดเดทินดีลักวัดดูดินสุดสุเบกาเกลยงเก่งจินจงแต่ดีกิเต็มลูยังเพิ่มบัดดูเสชุนีดูแก่ขับนังกีเกลชีเก่งจินจงเดียร์โซดังสำลิงสัจเลดิมอีกีจับจุดเท่าเลยดูเรื่องเลเดสุดังยามจุลเบดีทับลำดิซุมเต้นนามิลูมาเชเก่งจินจงเลคงกีขัดตัวเลยเงี้ยลินยูเสชุนี
Hello everyone, this is Yendi from the logistics sector in Haiti. I am here at the Kut in Lekai where all the coordination for the earthquake response happens. Through the preparedness program, we've been able to work more closely with DGPC to strengthen the logistic response for that earthquake. This program has helped us work better together.
Now, before this time, the NDMA, before establishing, was not having any logistic system in place. But with the projects, a logistics preparedness project. Now we're able to have all the documents, we know how to use them, we're able to stock documents properly, and we're able to have accountability for our beneficiaries. And the due processes, international standard is all in place, and we're able to learn that. And as I'm speaking now, we're able to pre-position items in different locations so that we're able to attend, we're able to respond immediately if there is any disaster. So I think the logistic preparedness has helped the NDMA so much in the time of inception, and so we are very much happy, and now we are confident in using all these documents and in warehouse management. Thank you very much.
I am now confident to lead a team that can assemble and dismantle an MSU. I am also advocating for more trainings to be conducted in Zimbabwe.
El trabajo del PMA junto con PECO ha sido muy provechoso, el trabajo en equipo que hemos estado realizando, preparando las actividades. Sobre todo el trabajo que podemos realizar interno de COPECO es el desarrollarnos más logísticamente, poder dar una mejor respuesta precisamente, pero también viene acompañado de ese factor que es poder coordinarnos mejor con lo que es la mesa humanitaria para poder precisamente dar respuesta a las personas que más necesitan una emergencia.
ការត្រៀមលក្ខណៈភស្តុភារដើរតួនាទីយ៉ាងសំខាន់ក្នុងការគ្រប់គ្រងគ្រោះមហន្តរាយនៅកម្ពុជាការមានផែនការត្រៀមបំរុងផ្នែកភស្តុភារនិងការពង្រឹងសមត្ថភាពមន្ត្រីគឺជាការត្រៀមខ្លួនក្នុងឆ្លើយតបសង្គ្រោះឲ្យចំគោលដៅទាន់ពេលវេលានិងមានប្រសិទ្ធភាពខ្ពស់ដោយមានការគ្រប់គ្រងពីកម្មវិធីស្បៀងអាហារពិភពលោកនិងសម្រុះសម្រួលយ៉ាងជិតស្និទ្ធពី NCDM គម្រោងនេះត្រូវបានធានានៅការបង្កើតវិធីសាស្ត្រនិងមូលដ្ឋានគ្រឹះត្រៀមបំរុងភស្តុភារមនុស្សធម៌ក្នុងប្រទេសកម្ពុជា
Our preparedness project, I think, suffered a big deal due to the COVID-19. We were supposed to have started implementation of our action plan from February, but as you may recall, towards the end of February, Malawi too were in the COVID-19 scenario.
In 2021, the COVID situation continued to negatively affect the project and adversely affect in terms of implementation of various activities. However, we continue to work around the different COVID-19 waves, and we're able to continue to support government working through the national logistics sector and the various working groups.
Pienso que el mayor desafío es profundizar las relaciones que tenemos con el gobierno nacional y tal vez traducirlas en acciones concretas. Tenemos en este momento la oportunidad de integrar algunas de las plataformas logísticas que ha desarrollado el país y ponerlas al servicio de todos los actores que intervienen en el proyecto.
Among the challenges we have witnessed is the multiplicity of agencies with overlapping mandates from the national and the county government, the two-tier system of government. And we hope through this project to support government's efforts towards a harmonized action plan and a coordinated approach towards logistics preparedness. The funding availability also remains a challenge. The activities and interventions proposed by the national stakeholders by far exceed the current available funding. But we hope with additional resource mobilization efforts, we should be able to address these challenges.
The main challenges of the project going forward is the allocation of resources that will ensure sustainable project outcomes and building awareness about the importance of preparedness project at national level.
In 2022, the Preparedness Project would like to continue to work with government with a focus on capacity strengthening in order to enhance humanitarian logistics within the country.
Going forward, I think it would be important to isolate some of the things that we could do, especially now that we have got the COVID-19 situation a bit going down, so that by the time it may recur again, we may have done quite substantial. So this calls for more than a commitment from the project team members, I think it will require more than commitment from each of the members. We may not do much if we do not, as members, believe in what we want to do. So beyond commitment, it requires us to believe in what we are doing, to be convinced we are doing it for the good cause of the country and for the good cause of those vulnerable groups that each and every year suffer from the disasters.
The capacity strengthening framework takes a systemic approach, broadening the view from operational capacities to also include regulatory, institutional, financial and partnership capacities that are equally critical to a coordinated, self-sufficient, nationally led humanitarian supply chain system. At the moment, this approach is being utilized in Kenya, Tajikistan and Bhutan, with more expected next year. Information about the project's capacity strengthening approach can be seen at the link on the screen and will also be discussed in the Friday morning session entitled Localizing Humanitarian Logistics Preparedness Capacity, FBPP Review Toward a Humanitarian Preparedness Guide. Thank you and have a good GLM.